Hello everyone. Most of us are either not aware of all the available functions or their syntaxes in MX Excel or Power BI. So here's a quick and simple trick to get a list of all of them. I'll be first starting with Power BI and at the end I'll show it in Excel. I hope you find this video useful. If so, just leave me a comment and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So this is my Power BI canvas. Under Home, just click on Transform Data. It opens up the Power Query editor. Hit New Source. Select a blank query. In the formula bar, write equal to hash shared in lowercase. Hit enter. See, at the bottom you will see a list of 999 plus functions. Just hit this into table. So what it does is it converts this into a table. And now under name, hit this drop down icon and say if you are interested in some number functions, type number. Here you will find the list of all the number functions. Now suppose you are interested in some text function, hit text. So these are all functions related to text. If you are interested in date function, type in date, enter. So you will find approximately 103 rows are displayed here. And here suppose we are interested in say a date is in next year. So here you will find function, don't hit this one, hit the blank space beside it. So double click on that. See, now below you will see one window popped up. So here this in bold is the syntax, and under that it gives the explanation for that function along with an example below, and at the extreme end you will find the syntax of the output. I mean the way you will see the output. So you will see the output in either true or false. So you can use this, and similar options are available in Excel. Let me guide you. Open the Excel. Go to Data tab. Get data. From other sources, select the blank query at the end. And type the same thing, equal to hash shared. Here also you will get a list of 762 functions. That is more than 750 plus functions. Hit into table. And in the similar way, suppose you are interested in some text function. Say text function. So it filtered out the text function. Select, double click the beside function, and here also you will see the syntax for it along with the explanation, and at the end you will see an example, and at the extreme end you will see the output. I hope you find this video useful. If so, then please leave me a comment. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.